Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I woke up to a very rainy and gloomy morning. It has been raining since last evening, so it has been extremely cold. I live in a tropical country, so cold weather is very rare for us. So I have been enjoying the cold weather, and it was too cold last night. I couldn't sleep because it was kind of rough. The painful cold, sometimes you get that you feel like pins and needles are trying to pierce through your skin. That was the kind of cold weather we had yesterday, but it subsided in the morning and it has been raining ever since. So I decided to just film some of the footages to just share this beautiful cozy weather with you. This is not like my previous well-edited, well-organized vlogs, but I plan on bringing these kind of morning vlogs. I plan on documenting all of my mornings till this year ends. So that is why I brought the type of morning I had in the morning. As usual, I made myself a cup of coffee and went outside to enjoy the weather. I have been just enjoying this weather, which is the favorite kind of weather I love, and I just wanted to go out there and film because I can get close-ups and I can just directly experience how cold and cozy it is in the mornings. My house is surrounded by tea plantations and a forest kind of property. So it is very gloomy and cozy around here. I get to experience the sound of birds, rare sightings of very rare seasonal birds and squirrels, pigs, deers, all sorts of animals, sometimes even foxes. I don't get to film those things because they quickly run away if they see that we are watching. We can't even open a door or a window just to capture because they are very sensitive to sound and they are always on fight or flight, so they just run away whenever they notice that we are watching. So I will try my best to capture such moments. Also, there are so many rabbits coming to our yard. I have captured them before, but I don't think I have shown them. I will try my best to just capture them. Also, we get peacocks a lot. I will try to shoot them too. I may shoot them as in videograph them. That is the kind of environment I live in because it is extremely wild and it is cozy. we have our own challenges to deal with because we have snakes and some predatory animals. We have to protect our crops, our property, and our pets. So it is a challenge, but still it is very beautiful and cozy to just enjoy all that. I said all those things because I wanted to give an idea about my surroundings, and I just love going outside and just absorbing all this beautiful nature because it relieves stress and it is very healing and comforting to go outside and just enjoy all sorts of weather. I especially like this kind of rainy weather because I know the rain is very rhythmic and it is just, so wonderful. I'm not sure if you can hear. I said that we are living closer to a tea plantation. So if you hear some background noise, it is because the ladies are plucking tea leaves. That's the sound of them working if you hear any human background noise. So like I said, I will be bringing a morning vlog every single day until this year ends because I am at my best energy level and best mood in the morning. I love mornings. I am very productive in the morning. So I just wanted to capture all my mornings till this year ends. I will be doing that whether I post it online or not, but why not just share that with you? So I will be bringing a morning vlog every single day. So watch out for that, and please stay with me and watch all my other vlogs. I have several playlists that you can watch and enjoy because I have been active on this channel for 2.5 years now, thanks to all of your support. So keep supporting me and keep enjoying my videos, and please go to my Instagram. You can DM me. Also, you can message me through my email address and Instagram. Like I said before, I will always reply. And please give me your ideas. Any feedbacks are welcome. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the vlog. And thank you so much for just being a part of this channel.